Hello and welcome to my channel Luke Ross Post. I create a broad range of Baselight and DaVinci Resolve tutorials, and today I'm excited to announce that I will also be offering one-on-one Baselight coaching. Baselight can be a pretty confusing piece of software, so coaching will enable me and you to work directly on the things that you're confused on and answer any questions that you might have about the software. Feel free to look at my extensive list of Baselight tutorials to get yourself up to speed. They're designed to help you get to a beginner intermediate stage in Baselight and help you feel comfortable using the software. Not everyone has time to trawl through a lot of YouTube videos to try and work out what they need to learn. The type of Baselight coaching that I'm going to offer is very flexible and will be tailored to you. So if you're currently working on Baselight, or you're about to start a job where you will be working on Baselight, and you want to upskill or just get to grips with the software, Baselight coaching is the perfect option for you. Again, if you want to dip your toes in and see what my style is like, feel free to check out my 3 YouTube series, the Conform Assist series, the Workflow series, and the Tool series. But if you want a more direct, tailored approach, please get in touch. All of the details are in the YouTube description below. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. Feel free to check out all of my videos, and if you like the work I do, go ahead and visit me on patreon.com/LukeRossPost. Again, all of the details are below. Thank you, and see you soon.